Wouldn't it be great if documenting evaluations only took a few clicks? Well, the great news is SLP Toolkit makes it that simple. You can quickly log evaluations, add your notes, and generate a report that's ready for Medicaid billing in no time. Let's take a closer look at how it works. First, head over to your daily data page. Now, we're going to create a new one-time therapy session for the evaluation. To do so, click on the Actions button at the top of the page, and then choose New Therapy Session. Next, pick the date of the evaluation, select the start and end time, and then choose the student you're evaluating from the drop-down list, or type in their names if they're not on your caseload yet. You'll then see that event appear on your agenda page. Now, click on the event time to open it. By opening the session, SLP Toolkit will automatically record that the evaluation happened and track attendance for that student. Then, just scroll down to the Student Notes section and add your evaluation notes. Be sure to include any details your district requires for Medicaid compliance. Once your notes are in, it's time to head on over to the Reports tab. From here, choose the Data Billing Export Report and select the student you just evaluated. Then, click Generate Report. You'll see your new session listed, and now you can fill in your service details. Under the Service Type column, select the CPT code that matches your evaluation. This may be an evaluation of fluency or speech sound production, or if you don't see what you need, you can type it in manually. Then, head over to the Place of Service section and choose whether the eval was held at school, via telehealth, or another setting. You can also note the student's participation level under the Observation column. The evaluation will now appear as a logged billable service and can be exported in a CSV spreadsheet at any time. And that's all there is to it. Now, you can confidently log evaluations in SLP Toolkit and make sure everything's ready for Medicaid billing. And as always, if you have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out.